Did you know one shoe explosion cost Nike over $1 billion? Just 33 seconds into Zion Williamson's Duke debut, his Nike shoe literally exploded on live TV. The most hyped college player ever went down with a knee injury right in front of Barack Obama and millions of viewers. The shoe couldn't handle his power. The next day, Nike's stock crashed by $1.1 billion. One defective shoe, one injured superstar, one massive financial disaster. That's the most expensive shoe blowout in basketball history.